Assalamu alaikum. Ahmed here again. Welcome to the class 7 lecture 5 English. Today's assignment is actually really short. I have written 3 of the expressions here. We have to write or find the meaning of them. Like picked up his ears. This expression means paid attention to something, or lost the scent, lost the trail, lost the trail, or could not find the smell of something. Now the last one, wild with frightened to the point of behaving badly. So the meanings for these expressions are written on my board. They are also provided to you on your homework worksheets. Copy them from here because my writing is pretty rough, or just copy them from the video. And until next video lecture, Allah Hafiz.